Hi, boys and girls. Right now, I would like to talk about adding. Do you like to add? Do you know how to add? Well, I'm doing this particularly for crewman, but I want everyone to be able to know how to add because adding is fun and it's important. So I have some crayons and I'm going to talk about crayons first, adding crayons. So I have one crayon right here. You see this crayon? What color is that? It's blue. And I have another crayon. What color is this one? It's yellow. So now I have how many crayons? 2 crayons. That's right. One crayon and another crayon is 2 crayons. So another way to say that is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Because I started with 1 and then I added 1. So now we have 2. I have 2 crayons. Isn't that fun? 1 plus 1 equals 2. And there is a way to write that on paper, but we're not going to learn that right now. We're just going to talk about how it works. So, are you guys ready for something a little bit more difficult? Raise your hand if you're ready. Okay, now I have a blue crayon and a red crayon. So I already have 2 crayons right here. Okay, I have 2 crayons. But now, look, I have another one. So how many crayons do I have all together? Well, let's count. There's 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 crayons. So 2 plus 1, that's 3. Can you see 3 crayons? What colors are they? Blue, red, and yellow. Those are the primary colors. Blue, red, and yellow. 3 crayons. So, does it work the other way around? What if I have 1 crayon and I want to add 2 crayons? How many do I end up with? I end up with 3, the same, huh? So 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 plus 2 is how many? 3. Isn't math so fun? And adding is so fun. Okay, I'm going to go through that really fast one more time to help you remember. And maybe you know the answers. If you know the answers, please shout them out. 1 crayon plus 1 crayon is how many crayons? 2 crayons. That's right. Very good. Now I have 2 crayons plus 1 crayon equals how many crayons? 3 crayons. That's right. You guys are so smart. I love that. Hey, should we do the same thing with pens? Just for fun. Okay. Here's 1 pen. I don't know where I got it. I have so many pens, it's crazy. Okay, here's 1 pen, and here's 1 pen. So 1 pen plus 1 pen equals 2 pens. You knew that already, right? Okay, let's do it one more time. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 pens. You guys are catching on already. That is awesome. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do 2 plus 1. 2 pens plus 1 pen. How many pens? 3 pens. 2 plus 1 is 3 pens. That's right. Man, you guys are smart. Okay, what if I do this? What if I say 1 pen plus 2 pens is 3 pens? It equals 3 pens. You guys are so smart. Okay, did you want to talk about the colors of the pens? Because I think some of you will want to. This is a blue and white pen. This is a green and white pen. And this one is black and silver. Last time, ready? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is, that's right, it's 3. You guys are amazing. I love it. Okay, so we'll do some more math and we'll do some more adding because it's so much fun. And we'll do that another time. In the meantime, remember that I love you. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye for now.